Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 6. This time we will present material with the title Store Design and Visual Merchandising. The member of Group 6 are myself, Nisa Permata Andina, Anissa Kistina, Yuan Rezal, Dalila Febrianum, and Tia Rahmayani. Before going into the main discussion, let us first present the table of content of our presentation. This presentation consists of several parts, namely, the first, background. Explain the background of the importance of store design in today's retail industry. 2. Store design. Discuss the meaning and purpose of store design. The third, visual merchandising. Explain the concept of arranging product visually to attract buyers. Next, relationship between both. Discuss the relationship between store design and visual merchandising. The 5 key elements. Review the main elements in store design and visual merchandising. 6. Brand examples. Provide a real example of brands that have successfully implemented this concept. 7. Consumer impact. Explain the impact on consumer experience and behavior. And the last, conclusion. Summarize the contents of the entire material that has been presented. Moving on to the first part, which is background. In today's era of very tight retail competition, stores are not just places to sell product. More than that, stores also function as a visual communication medium between brands and their consumer. Store design and visual merchandising are important strategy for creating a pleasant shopping experience. With an attractive store appearance, customer will feel more comfortable, stay longer, and ultimately be encouraged to make purchase. In addition, store design also help with a strong brand image in the minds of consumer, while increasing business competitive in an increasingly competitive market. So, we can conclude that store design and visual merchandising are not just about aesthetic, but also play a big role in supporting sales success and customer loyalty.
Okay, next, I am Tia Romayani, number present C28. What is store design? Store design refers to the process of planning the physical layout and ambience of a store to suit customer needs and reflect to brand identity. It involves organizing the space, lighting, colors, and store entrance to ensure comfort and attractiveness. The main goal is to create as among customer, highlight the merchandise, and enhance the overall shopping environment. What is visual merchandising? Visual merchandising is the art of presenting products is an applying way to attract customer attention and influence their buying decision. It includes product arrangement, lighting techniques, color coordination, and decorative term. With effective visual merchandising, products become more noticeable, memorable, and desirable to shoppers.
I'm Anissa Kistina, NIM 17. I will explain about the relationship between store design and visual merchandising. Store design provides the overall structure, layout, and physical environment of a retail space. Visual merchandising focuses on how products are arranged and presented with the space. Store design influences how customers move to the store, whilst visual merchandising affects what they notice and feel. Both aim to create a seamless and engaging shopping experience. Elements of store design and visual merchandising. Store design elements such as first, store layout. Second, interior design, selection of colors, lighting, flooring, and walls to create a specific atmosphere. Third, store exterior. Fourth, aroma, to create an emotional ambience for visitors. 5. Zoning, dividing areas based on product types and shopping behavior. Next, visual merchandising elements. First, product display, arranging product to be visually appealing and accessible. Second, mannequin placement. Third, text, clear and informative visual communication. Fourth, lighting, to highlight featured products and create visual focus. And the last one is color and theme, using brand appropriate and seasonal color schemes.
Okay, my name is Yuan Rizal, number present 27. Next, implementation example in retail brands. 1. Zara utilize a minimalist layout, break lighting, and seasonal product arrangement to encourage impulse buying. 2. IKEA. IKEA designed the store layout like a real home showroom experience, making customers stay longer and feel inspired. 3. Starbucks. Feature warm wooden interior, the can of coffee, and soft lighting to create a cozy home vibe. Uniqlo uses organized product display and mannequin showing mix and match out is to inspire customer fashion choice.
Okay, next, impact on consumer behavior. First, enhance storage attractiveness, eye-catching design, draw consumer and encourage them to explore longer. Second, influence purchase decision, effective visual merchandising can trigger influence buying. Third, build brand image, consistent design reinforces brand perception in consumer minds. Fourth, increase customer loyalty. A pleasant shopping experience make consumer want to return. Fourth, improves navigation. A well-designed layout helps consumer find product easily. Okay, next conclusion. Storage design and visual merchandising, a power strategies that go beyond aesthetic, that attractive customer create a pleasant shopping atmosphere and influence buying decision. Together, they help with a strong brand identity, good customer flow, and increase both satisfaction and sales. A well-designed store is not just a place to shop, it becomes an experience.
Okay, that's all from group 6. Sorry if there any mistake. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.